that. It has the same IDs, and that's really, really important that when you have alternate layouts, you keep the same IDs on these guys. That way the Java code can still interact with it okay and not care which one it's using. So now that I've got him, he's a relative layout. He shouldn't say horizontal. That didn't get changed. That should work. Let's try this out. Okay, so here's our GUI this way. I'm going to hit Control F11 to rotate it. And unfortunately, it stopped. Let's see what that guy says. Binary XML file error inflating li space. There was something funky in there. I'm not sure what that guy was. What the heck? Let's see how that does. And run him. Switch to my emulator. And now we see the side-by-side interface there. If I rotate it, I see my normal interface on that. Make sense? So it's pretty easy to set up a different layout for different types of setups, different types of screen densities, things like that. Okay. Now the two types of components we used were text view and edit text. Inside an edit text, you can specify what are called hints, and you can specify input types. Let's take a look at some hints. Sometimes what people like to do when they're defining these user interfaces, let me not change this one, let me change the other one. One thing that I've seen people do with forms